Next we'll do task 3 for the single sideband suppressed carrier demodulation. First we'll assume the ideal retrieval of the carrier. Here's our code. Like the previous case, we called the single sideband transmission function, and we return back the upper sideband, which we'll use for the program. So I'll run it and pull up our plots of our results. And what I'll do is I'll zoom in to the 2FC so we can see that we're dealing with the upper sideband. And at the baseband we'll just have the peak, and which I'll show you at the next case. So you'll see here, this is the DC amplitude modulation component right at 2FC, and then upper sideband at the 2FC plus 1 kilohertz. This is the low pass filter that we used in the previous case in order to retrieve our message signal, as I'll show you here. So let me zoom in here, and as you can see already that we have the AM component at 0 hertz, as well as our message components at plus and minus 1 kilohertz. So this proves that our algorithm of demodulation for single sideband is correct. And so next we'll show the second case of the retrieval where the carrier is shifted by 100 hertz. So here's our MATLAB script for the second case. The same function as before, but we have our carrier frequency shifted by 100 hertz. So I'll run the code, and here are our results. Now zoom in again to the 2FC so we can see the comparison to the previous case. Okay, so you can see now we have it shifted by 100 hertz compared to the previous case, which before we had one at 2 megahertz and then 100 hertz higher than that. But now we have it shifted to the left by 100 hertz. Here's the filter that we used before, and then here's our baseband. Maybe. Here we are. So hopefully I can get in to where we can see the errors from the 100 hertz shifted carrier frequency. As you can see here, the baseband signal is shifted left and right 100 hertz, which is the assumed retrieval carrier error. And as you can see that this results in an error in the demodulated signal. This concludes the demonstration for Project 1 for EE4330 for Dr. Bordeaux's class. Randall Line and Yen Yen Hu. Thank you.